how to design a product gallery in Squarespace. To do that, head over here right here to your website, head over to your pages, go right here to your store. Now, once you're on your store, you can head over and then just click onto this edit option. Now we have in here we have now the gallery, which is these two products that we have. If you want to edit it out, you can click onto this manage item right here in order to manage the item that you have. Or if you want to edit the actual design, you can head over and then click onto this edit option and then edit out the actual design for that. Click onto this edit section, and in here you can choose the column spacing. You can choose the row spacing as well as the number of products per column. So for example, you can make it 2 and we have 2 products. You can make it 4 in order to have 4 products, and you can also choose the text alignment, image text spacing, as well as categories, category title, breadcrumbs. You can also choose the colors from in here, and then for example, let's choose blue, and then as you can see, it will be applied. So that's how you design the product gallery in Squarespace. Hope we helped.